Hey everyone, this is Rohit Rana. You're watching Legend Martini, and I am a fan of movies. And as a fan of movies, this is my take on film critics, or rather, this profession of film critiquing. Now, I believe when you have zero stakes in a project that involves millions of dollars or crores of rupees, and hard work of 1,000 people, more than 1,000 people, starting with director, the entire crew, then actors, lead actor, supporting actor, uh, background actors, and then once the film releases, the film distributors, who are actually not rich people, whose livelihood depend on whether that film will earn decent money at the box office. Now, when as a film critic you have no stake before that given film goes on the floor or after that film has hit the theaters, you have no stake anywhere. Why do you think you have the right then to influence the paying audience to not watch that film? I mean, it's weird to me. Why? Why do you think you are entitled to that privilege? Like, you have contributed nothing to this project. The success or failure of this project will also not impact you in any which way. And it's just a film, right? But I'll come to that later. I don't think you have any right. I don't think you have a right to publish your uh, reviews so that people can read them, and without trusting their own judgment and making up their own minds, they should trust your personal feelings. Now, the counter argument can be made here that everybody has the right to free speech. Sure, that's not even debatable. But let me ask you two questions here. Is your free speech hurting someone? Absolutely, right? It's affecting. If you're giving a film bad reviews, there is going to be a reasonable chunk of the paying audience who will decide to eventually not watch the film. Cumulatively, that can result in the making or breaking of in the breaking of careers. You are snatching someone else's right to earn their livelihood. And I don't just mean film distributors, I even mean directors. Maybe the audience that got influenced by your personal opinion, by your personal feelings about that film, maybe they would have liked that film, right? That's one. Two, is your free speech benefiting someone? I mean, sure, it's saving me from watching a bad film, or from watching what you think is a bad film. But okay, let's take it on face value. Let's say it's a well established fact that the movie that you give bad reviews to are actually bad films, right? Everyone will, most of us will end up not liking that film. But what if I do not, if as a movie fan I did not have the luxury to read your reviews before I went to watch a film? What is the worst thing that could have happened? We would have ended up watching a bad film. Subscribe to Legend Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, fashion, career, health and wellness, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.